Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Open the Teams desktop app and join or create the meeting. You must use the desktop client because recording and system audio capture need it. The web version is limited. Plug in a USB headset or enable the laptop mic in system sound settings, then grant Teams microphone permissions. Once done, test briefly with the built-in device selector in Teams so you hear yourself and ensure the input level isn't muted or too low. You'll begin recording when ready. Join the meeting and click More Actions, then start recording. Enable transcription if you want captions. Make sure to toggle Include System Audio when you plan to capture shared video or system sounds. This records what your participants hear. Next, open device's right arrow audio settings in Teams and confirm the selected microphone and speaker match your hardware. You should also do a quick local test with one other participant or a separate device. When finished, stop the recording for more actions. Teams will process the file and save it to OneDrive or SharePoint and post a link in the meeting chat. You can download the MP4 or share its link with edit or view permissions as needed. If audio is missing, first make sure Teams has microphone permission in the OS, then reselect the correct device in Teams and restart the app. If that fails, rejoin and run another short test. This fix
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.